Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of launching a successful online business as an absolute beginner? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into the best online business opportunities that anyone can start, regardless of their experience level. But before we get into that, do me a quick favour and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable business insights. Now, let's get down to business. The first and most crucial step on your journey to financial freedom is choosing the right online business for you. But with so many options out there, where do you begin? Let me share a secret. It all starts with your passion and interests. Whether it's cooking, gaming, fashion, or fitness, there's an online business niche waiting for you. You could start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page sharing your expertise, or consider e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or even freelancing. The possibilities are endless. One of the most lucrative options is e-commerce. Imagine owning your very own online store, selling products you love to people all over the world. It's easier than you think, especially with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. With e-commerce, you can turn your passion into profit. And the best part, you don't need to stock inventory or deal with shipping. E-commerce has never been more accessible, and I'm going to show you how to get started step by step. Starting your e-commerce journey begins with selecting a niche that aligns with your interests. The internet is a vast marketplace, and there's room for all sorts of unique and specialized products. Whether it's handmade crafts, niche fashion items, or innovative tech gadgets, e-commerce can turn your passion into a profitable business venture. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's like getting paid to recommend products you believe in. With the right strategy, you can earn passive income. No need to create your products, you simply partner with established brands and promote their products. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to start an online business without having to create your own products or services. Instead, you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your efforts. It's a low-risk, high-reward option for beginners. Freelancing is another fantastic way to kickstart your online business journey. Do you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management? You can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Freelancing is a versatile and dynamic field, offering numerous opportunities for those with specific skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or social media expert, there are clients out there looking for your services. I'll reveal the secrets to creating a standout profile, finding clients, and building a reputation as a top freelancer in your niche. Freelancing allows you to be your boss and take control of your income, and we'll show you how to make it work for you. Now here's the key to success in any online business: consistency, patience, and continuous learning. We'll discuss the importance of setting goals, managing your time, and adapting to the ever-changing online market. Success in the online business world isn't just about choosing the right business model, it's also about how you approach it. We'll delve into strategies for staying motivated, setting achievable goals, and managing your time effectively. The online business landscape is dynamic, and we'll show you how to adapt and stay ahead of the game. In our upcoming videos, we'll share some incredible resources and tips to help you stay on the path to success. Your journey to financial independence starts here, and we're with you every step of the way. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards financial independence and start your online business journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support our channel. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into each of these online business ideas. Remember, the best time to start is now.